Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. This is the unboxing cabin. Let's get started. So today we will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime. So now let's take a look at the back of the box. We have the following wordings: the Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime, a fingerprint sensor, 13 and 5 megapixel camera, and a long-lasting battery in the phone. Now let's take a look at another angle of the box. We have the wordings over here says "Make for India Samsung initiative as secure and as power planning." So now without wasting any further time, let's begin the unboxing. First, let's turn it on a side and then we have to open up by sliding the box out. So first up, we are greeted with the phone. Let's keep it on the side and remove the phone first. It's put in a packet, and let me tell you that this box was already open, and just in case you like unboxing videos, then here's one dedicated just for you. Now let's see what do we have inside. Let's flip this open and we are greeted with papers. So now just take a look at it, and then we'll keep it down and go further with the unboxing. So now we have this USB cable. You saw that? Let's keep it down, move ahead. Now we have the earphones. Good to see earphones bundled in this box. Let's keep it in and proceed with the unboxing. Now comes the adapter. This is the most important thing to juice up the device. You saw that? Now let's keep it down and proceed. So here we have the SIM ejector tool, which helps you to eject the SIM card tray where you can put your SIMs. And you took another angle of that, and now let's keep it down and proceed with a more detailed view. So this is the adapter, pretty good and wide. Take another look, it looks quite clean. And let's keep it down and let me open the USB cable. Good to see that it's in white. Sometimes they don't get in the same color variant. Let's keep it down and proceed with the earphones. These earphones may not be that premium, but it does feel nice to see that they do involve earphones. Let's keep it down and show you the paperwork. Over here you'll get to see the quick start guide, the startup things and warranty card, everything like that. You can take another look at it. And yes, let's take the phone, open it up and show you what do we have inside here. Hey guys, if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Unboxing Cabin. Like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment your valuable feedback.